Hey everyone, welcome back to Balanced Cuisine. Today, we're going on a grocery store tour to find the most nutrient-dense foods. If you're looking to fuel your body with the best ingredients, stick around because we're breaking down exactly what to buy and why. Let's go. Alright, let's start in the produce section. This is where you'll find some of the most nutrient-packed foods on the planet. Think dark leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and antioxidant-rich fruits. Let's check them out. First up, dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. These are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, plus they're high in fiber and antioxidants. Grab a bunch and add them to your salads, smoothies, or sauté them with garlic for a tasty side dish. Next, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are some of the most antioxidant-rich fruits you can find. They help fight inflammation and are great for brain health. Perfect for snacking or adding to yogurt and oatmeal. Sweet potatoes are another powerhouse food. They're packed with beta-carotene, fiber, and vitamin C. Roast them, mash them, or even add them to smoothies for a nutrient boost. Now, on to protein. Choosing high-quality protein sources is key to maintaining muscle and overall health. Let's talk about some of the best options. Wild-caught salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. If fresh salmon is too pricey, check out canned salmon. It's just as nutritious and budget-friendly. Grass-fed beef is higher in omega-3s and antioxidants than conventional beef. And don't forget pasture-raised eggs. They have more vitamins and better fats compared to regular eggs. For dairy, the best options are fermented foods like Greek yogurt and kefir. They're packed with probiotics that support gut health. If you're dairy-free, look for unsweetened almond coconut or cashew milk. Now let's stock up on some nutrient-dense pantry staples. These are perfect for adding extra nutrition to your meals. Quinoa is a complete protein and packed with fiber, while lentils are rich in plant-based protein and iron. Both are great for meal prepping and easy to cook. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Add them to smoothies, salads, or just snack on them. And that's a wrap on our grocery store tour. By choosing nutrient-dense foods like these, you're giving your body the best fuel possible. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite healthy grocery staple. See you next time!